tisarna ngunturang na tivat tiguna bonu tomanda wabi na tagisawali benda na vingare beli busamirak na numni tigo bakalioleo wabi na talangan na bitukun ni bonu kina matentu ena bukuni sasang ni bibator tak na matentu sinron ni rabangan na kabate ko ena wang bimbi itu na non talakabat. Tiga talangan na singendai na Deputy Commissioner, Acting Deputy Commissioner Miss Sophie Tembi. We welcome you today. Some of the board members of the FRA are also here, Fiji Roads Authority and the executives, the media. Nisambula to all. It gives me great pleasure to be here today regarding the commissioning of this new Yaqara bridge. And as I've said, I convey my sincere appreciation to the Turang Tuivatu and the blessings of the Vanua today. In addition, very important, the government of Australia, I acknowledge their contribution, not only in the current infrastructure program, but also in the many years of assistance and partnership with the people and government of Fiji. I also acknowledge the contractors, Fletcher, workers, government authorities, and thank you to those who are organizing today's event. I've mentioned the importance of infrastructure. Turang Tuivatu has mentioned that in terms of our economic development as a backbone to economic development all over Fiji, but especially today for the province of Ra, which I believe it is also a huge responsibility for the government to relook at the development plans for our province. It has been, I know that I do not want to use the term left behind, but we need to refocus as a government on this province, given its proximity and the huge potential which is in the province. As a government, we have huge challenges in terms of infrastructure. I get calls every day about the water and roads. These are the two main issues. And we are reorganizing, refocusing. And we have also tried to alleviate all the issues by resubmitting our budgets, and we are hoping that that will bring up to par all the issues regarding the maintenance and repairs of roads. This bridge is an investment of 9.8 million, and it was delayed a bit by the pandemic. But it is certainly worth the wait in terms of standard and resilience. Resilience meaning that it has to be resilient to climate change challenges and also the increasing intensity, as you can see, of natural disasters such as cyclones. I welcome the opening of this bridge, and I know that it will ease the travel between here and Suva, and also to our the western side towards Nadi and Lautoka, especially for our partners in the industries which are in Ra province, and not only that, but in terms of transit between our main centers. With those words, I again say a big vinakabakalebo to all of you. And I will continue with other issues. I think we have some time for Tangloa today. Nakakaliw.